Okay, so pretty good day in the turbo trading room today. Lots of action, lots of stuff happening. Tyler killed it at the end here, knocked him dead on the spies options, both puts and calls. So great job there, Tyler. Really, that was bang on. And just some of the stuff that we do here in the turbo trading room every day, knocking them dead. The markets themselves, as Tyler so rightly treated it, originally it came off hard this morning with news of turmoil in Turkey. But as a few people had asked me in the chat room, what I thought about that, and I said, well, really, all it is an excuse for the market to sell off. The market's always looking for an excuse to sell or to buy. The total some numbers of GDP and banking exposure and all that of a non-EU country. The Turkish lira is off 6%. Is really negligible compared to what's happening in the world. I guess the thing that maybe has sold the market off a bit, frightened people at the end, which is a bit more serious, is Chinese Navy taking pot shots at at the U.S. military. U.S. Navy. That's always not a good thing. War never is very good for a lot of things, and the market being one of them. But you can see on the SPY, as I've been talking about this here, that we're going to be into what we call a buying stampede, and this actually was up 20 days of 28 days, and I said this could last between 15 and 27 days. And then yesterday it started, and then today rolled over. And that's just an excuse to sell for many reasons. Top of the channel, big move already. 28 days straight, or 27 days up. 27 days up. And now rolling over, and so it could pull back into this area. But we're also coming into September, which is August, September can quite often be down months for the markets in general, so people know that, and so they're at the top. They take a profit. It's broken out to new highs. There's lots of reasons to sell. They just need the catalyst to convince themselves that there's a reason to sell. But so the Dow ended up down a couple of 100.77%. Nasdaq was off 52, 53, down 0.67, and the SPY down 20 points, off 0.71%. So, but we had lots of great trades off the market. Now, I didn't have too many this morning. I had a couple ideas, CNDA being one of them. Let's try that again. CDNA being one of them. It was a former swing of ours that we were in this at $9. It did explode. I'll get it right, yeah. CDNA. It did explode $19 after hours yesterday. And you can see traded up here, but today ended up just trading sideways all day, opened down to 1580, traded up to 18, and then just coiled all day. So it never was really a trade for us. This AWX was a trade we had talked about this morning, and in my missives, and I had said that let me just draw some lines in here.